The Galil ACE or IMI ACE is an Israeli assault rifle developed and manufactured by IMI and also produced under license by Indumil, RPC Fort and FAME SAC. It is produced in three calibers, 5.56A, 45mm NATO, 7.62A, 39mm, and 7.62A, 51mm NATO. The ACE family assault rifles are based upon the mechanism of the IMI Galil, but using a modernized design and materials to increase its accuracy and lower its weight, while maintaining the Galil's ergonomics, ease of maintenance and reliability under battle conditions. Emphasis was placed in particular in increasing its reliability under adverse and extreme conditions. It is the main assault rifle of the Colombian Army and the Colombian Police, for whom it is manufactured locally under license by Indumil. In addition, it has been selected as the future standard assault rifle of the Chilean Army and the Vietnamese Army. Design features. Weight reduction. The original IMI Galil had weighed up to 4.35 kilograms depending on its variant, and this weight was criticized by the Israel Defense Forces. The heavy weight was a result of IMI having built the Galil rifle from a machined all-solid steel bullet action in order to increase the structural integrity and survivability of the weapon. The Galil ACE has a significantly reduced weight. IMI redesigned the action to integrate the steel with polymer, which is much lighter than the fully steel receiver of the original Galil. While the upper receiver is machined steel, polymer has been introduced to the lower receiver of the weapon to reduce the gun's weight. Last round bolt catch. Another addition by IMI to the original Galil is the last round bolt catch, for the versions of the ACE in 5.56mm. The bolt hold open feature is a common request of military customers, to reduce reloading times during combat. Long stroke piston system. The rifle uses the Galil's long stroke piston system. The long stroke system is found in the M1 Garand, AK-47 and more recently in the Tava. Gas tube. The gas tube, unlike the AK-47 system, is mounted on the rifle via a dovetail slide machined on the receiver upper front block. This avoids any movement of the gas block that can influence barrel vibration and thus degrade rifle accuracy. Port sealing. IMI have sealed the internal mechanism of the gun, by the addition of a sliding vertical cover. As a result, the internal mechanism of the Galil is sealed and protected from the accumulation of dirt or sand. Trigger. The IMI ACE adopts the Galil sniper trigger instead of the original Galil trigger, in order to improve accuracy compared to the standard Galil. This is a two-stage trigger, which IMI have modeled on the two-stage trigger of the M1 Garand. According to American Rifleman, the two-stage trigger is clean and smooth with a 4 pounds 13 ounces trigger pull according to a Lyman digital trigger gauge. Barrel. The barrel is chrome-lined, cold hammer forged, with a 1/7 twist. Accuracy. According to American Rifleman, although this rifle is clearly based on the AK design, it demonstrated a superior level of accuracy potential compared to several of its cousins. The best single group, at 100 yards of 0.83 euro and 5 group average of 0.98 euro was produced using the Federal Premium 123 grain. PowerShock soft point loader Euro. Variants. The Galil ACE is available in 3 calibers with multiple barrel lengths for each type. Users, Colombia. It serves as the standard issued assault rifle of the National Army of Colombia and the National Police of Colombia. Manufactured in Colombia by Indumil. Chile, selected as the Chilean Army's new 5.56mm standard issue rifle. In 2014, the Galil ACE began to be deployed in the Chilean Army. Haiti, used by certain Haitian police officers. Mexico, used by certain personnel of the Mexican Federal Police. Peru, the Peruvian government has plans to license the Galil ACE, establishing a factory to produce up to 2,000 rifles per month. Guatemala, 3,000 Model 31 versions used by Guatemala National Civil Police. El Salvador, Honduras, Model 21 used by the Army and Air Force. Philippines, San Juan City Police uses ACE-21. South Sudan, used by the South Sudanese Armed Forces, Vietnam, ACE-31 and 32 have been selected as the standard-issue assault rifles in the Vietnamese Army, to gradually replace their current AK-47-derived weapons. IWI has established a $100 million factory in Vietnam, to produce an unspecified number of Galil ACE assault rifles for the People's Army of Vietnam. Ukraine, since August 2014. See also, Military equipment of Israel, List of assault rifles, List of battle rifles. References. External links, Galil ACE assault rifles at Modern Firearms, IWI ACE webpage. ACE 7.62x51 brochure.